Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode. I'm Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. If you're new to my channel, I enjoy building classic model kits of TV and movie cars, along with other kits. So if you have a chance, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button. And in this episode, we're going to be doing the VW T3 bus unboxing. As stated earlier, I like TV and movie cars, and one of the great shows from the 80s was Magnum PI, and his buddy TC drove around in the Vanagon Island Hoppers bus for his helicopter tour company. Well, I couldn't find that kit, so the kit was re-released many times, and we'll have a look at it here. So this is just a plain TC3 kit, and great looking kit. We have the 1/24 scale, about 77 parts, with Revell. They always have good instruction sheets or booklets, very detailed as we look here. The kit has decal patterns for the seat, and the really nice format, the way they do their model sheets in this booklet format in color. Everything's looking good to this point. I went ahead and have the body sitting out here. So let's get into the pieces themselves. So here we have the interior tub, and I'm getting tongue-tied again. Chassis components and the floor pan. Everything looks pretty crisp. I'm not seeing a lot of flash, a little bit here and there, but nothing out of the way. Looks really good. Here's the rear hatch and seat components, wheel backs, and the rims. Looking pretty nice. The dashboard assembly, the sliding door, and the top of the van. Crisp ridges. For the bracing that runs the top of the van. All the clear parts are individually bagged, so that's nice. Keep them from getting scratched up, and I'm just going to leave those in there right now. The body's looking very nice. I don't see any issues at all with that. No warpage. A good brace for the sliding door assembly. I don't think I'll do the sliding door, but it's still a nice option. You can see the track there for it to go in and out. Let's go ahead and take a look at the decals. Try to do this one-handed. As with most Revell kits, you have multiple languages. I don't know all the different types of languages they are, but a lot. European style plates and American style plates, old standard 6x12s. There's the interior decals. A lot of decals for this kit. Very nice. VW logos for the front and rear. So here I've gone ahead and I'm getting ready for the first coat of paint. Got on my little coffee can. Give it a spin around here. I've put the hatch in place for the rear hatch. I put the roof panel in place, and the side door is in place. But the body looks really good. When I was washing it up, I didn't see any injection mark issues, nothing like that. So this looks like it's going to be another fun build. And here's my inspiration again, TC's Island Hopper van from Magnum PI. And we'll see you on the next build. Yeah, as always, I want to thank you for watching. Have a safe and blessed day. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. We'll see you on the next video. God bless.